Gemini June 2025 predictions. General. Gemini professionals may encounter some work-related challenges during June 2025. Starting a new business doesn't look advisable at this time. Also, beware of unnecessary or excessive spending. On the personal front, it can be the time to avoid conflicts and maintain calm. However, the married may enjoy a harmonious relationship with pleasure and joy in their love life. The month also looks good for deepening bonds with family and friends. Students may receive additional financial support for studies and personal needs. Love and relationships. The Gemini love life will likely be filled with fun and happiness now. It could also be a great time to reconnect with loved ones. Bonding with a spouse also looks harmonious and positive. However, relationships with elders could be challenging. Children, too, may display mischievous behavior. Please stay calm and avoid acting out of anger. Finances. Gemini natives may enjoy financial stability during this time. Opportunities like part-time jobs, internships, or grants could arise. These options might provide both income and valuable experience. Extra earnings may help cover various expenses, including educational like books, supplies, and tuition. Such additional funds could support transport, housing, and essentials. Managing daily living costs might become easier. Such a financial relief can bring peace of mind. Career. Gemini professionals could face challenges and may have to work hard without immediate rewards. Patience could be essential for career growth and recognition. However, progress could be steady with support from their organizations. Those in manufacturing might go up in their careers but face delayed recognition. Sales and technology professionals may receive awards for their efforts. Those in the media and film industries may enjoy a favorable period. Manufacturing professionals might receive rewards for their efforts. However, lawyers may struggle to gain client recognition and may have to stay patient. Health sector workers, too, could feel underappreciated. However, R&D professionals will likely be applauded and see quick results from their work. Business. Entrepreneurs considering starting a business should postpone their plans. Time doesn't look opportune for new ventures now. Also, be conservative regarding spending, refrain from unnecessary expenses. Minimizing expenses might help them operate their businesses without further financial burdens. Health. Gemini natives may encounter minor health problems such as shoulder pain or ear problems. Abstaining from lifting heavy loads can help prevent shoulder pain. Other than such issues, they can hope to be mostly strong and healthy now. Education. The month looks good for school students. They may have intensive focus and perform well in their studies. Postgraduate students may have to put in hard work to get good scores. Students engaged in research and development may experience minor delays in getting approval for their thesis. Auspicious dates. In auspicious dates,